Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to another tutorial, and in this one what I will be explaining to you guys is how you can earn money in Asphalt 9 Legends and a few tips and tricks on how to earn it a bit faster. However, before I get into it, I want to apologize for you guys quickly. As you can probably hear, I do have a bit of a cold at the moment, and this led to me having a bit of a more nasally voice, as you can probably hear. However, this should not detract from this tutorial. Just bear with me, guys. My voice should get back to normal real quick. However, for the time being, it is what it is. So let's get right into the tutorial, shall we? So the main way you actually earn credits and tokens is by actually playing the game and by finishing races, either career races, multiplayer races, club races, and so on and so forth. And by actually completing these races, the higher position that you get in these races, the more money you get. And this is the main way, this is the most fun way in my opinion. However, there are a few tips and tricks that I can give you guys, one of which is actually completing milestones. Now, once you actually complete milestones, for each of them you get a big cash reward, which will add a significant amount to your wallet and make getting money much easier. Now, to actually complete these milestones, you'll have to play either the club races or other races. I think the career is the best way to do it. It might be multiplayer, I might have confused those two. However, one of them does have milestones, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Complete these milestones and you will get a cash reward, which will aid you significantly in your career. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys in another video.